on the Changa, me kill them for your breathing. See them a cook up beef, so me give them a seasoning. I had a man like that if I me see face to fuck me straight.
Yeah, generally the youth. The man said them a cook up beef. So what him do? Just give them seasoning, go and cook up some beef over there so then no man. Go and cook up some beef. Cause them a cook up beef, you know what the best thing we do? I give them seasoning to your squash. I right thing I do, give them some seasoning. Go. Yo. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I will back in for another reaction for you guys. You see, right now, people, we have squash. You see me, I say, change the climate. Squash, I go change the bumbo climate for them people here right now. You know? People, guess what? The pause boss is in full effect. You see me, I say, yes, I pray the order never like. In forward, but because we just start get black and we just start get copyright and thing, and me, I say, that now play. Red card. Make we see what going for the same people. Like up the video. We get 1,000 likes on the video right now. 1,000 likes. So like up the video. Drop the fire emoji right now in the comment section. We don't want no one and no two comment from nobody. We want 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 comment from everybody in the comment section. So spam be a fire emoji right now in the comment section. Run tune.
OG push a blaze and me Glock in my pocket and me ready to go dark up the place.
What?
Change the climate. Them swear them violent.
Dog say man change the climate pan them people, yeah. Right now, dog roll up on them grimy, you know, people. Squash roll up for them grimy, you know. Squash, I gotta change the climate. You see, it's a bright. You might go dark up the place. Squash, deal with it.
Silent. We got the matic out here, me J. 6 real.
People, you know, 6 real too, you know. 6 real, you know. 6 real records, big up yourself too, you know. People, you see the car where them money I drive right now. People, you see what I go on. 6 outside, you know. 6 outside, tell the pussy them try. I bet you know the song they from Jamaica. Right, tune?
Out here, yeah. Change the climate, them fool them childish. Waste his feces, flush them in a time.
What kind of flow this? The flow like different, dog. It just start a while ago now. Change the climate, forces, flush them in a toilet. What if we can hear what go on, you know? What if we can hear what go on? We can hear what go on. The right way. Squash, deal with it.
Run my style, I'm gonna feel me a while. I'm J-City president, I am me reminder. For the word, I'm a pray, me kill.
I rap, start rap. Yeah, I'm so grimy with the thing. Oh, hold on, vibe, Tarek, and listen.
I'm ready for binds, I go for them and shut them up and guide. So me drift upon them black with a Celtic and
man saying go for them and shut them up and I don't want to. No, man. Hold on, because I can't listen again. Because I'm going bad, you know. I'm going too bad. Let me take a next listen.
The 9X, I'm skillful with the Glock, my press it, Changa head violent. Oh God, somebody feel the flame. Yeah, me know you want me cry because I see the rain.
If we go back in the song, I just go and run it. Squash your deal with it, sir. Alright, go on, Squash. No, go on.
When boy switch and dead, me even feel away. One shot of Hennessy, I heal the pain, then he can't clean it. Oh God, somebody feel the flame.
Man say one shot of Hennessy, now I'm going to heal the pain. Squash really change the climate on them, boy, you know, people. When you see a Squash, I deal with the thing, people. When you hear a Squash, I deal with the thing, people. People, Squash is changing the game right now. Squash, deal with it.
Yeah, me know you want me cry because I see the rain. When boy switch and dead, me even feel away. Yeah, me fuck up and corrupt and stuck up in me evil ways.
Switch and dead and he never feel the pain. Me I'll say everything what you're saying and me I try measure and know what you're talking about, you know. You understand, you know. People, the past boss is back in effect, me sorry. But we are trying to understand what I go on to at the same time. Go on.
Feel the great pussy, them a broke, but this time I deal with them. I carry belly like a girl, I'm really deceiving.
Oh, me get the line then, Lord. Broke badness, no, for one, for this a broke badness dog, him don't like after the whole bumbo clad crowd already. Broke badness. What if I deal with broke badness? You don't like after the whole crowd already, Squash. So just make them go and easy them bumbo clad self. Go on.
On the Changa, me kill them for your breathing. See them a cook up beef, so me give them a seasoning. I had a man like that if I me see face to fuck me straight.
Yeah, generally the youth. The man said them a cook up beef. So what him do? Let's give them a season and go and cook up some beef over there so they no man. Go and cook up some beef. Cause them a cook beef, you know what the best thing we do? I give them seasoning to your squash. I right thing I do, give them some seasoning. Go on.
To God, go on them a go on. Go on them a go on, them a go on, them a go on. Go on them a go on, go on them a go on. Come in no fear no man. I put 1,000 of them clap it till it spray me on.
Bumbo clot. Me dey run back there chump you must say but just say go on them a go on, them a go on. Me never hear him say that. Me never hear that part that good. But the man say I could 1,000 of them a clap it till him can't feel him blood clot and squash. Yes, so bad. Clot. People like up the video for like the video, dog. Just some 5 emoji right now. Squash I go and but another song right now. Right now. I say if you don't subscribe it, subscribe to the One Buckle Bell channel right now. We're trying 30,000 subscribers right now. Right tune.
I'm in a beg my boyfriend, you not feel the dan. One heap of dope people on my shoes, I know the Navy brand. I know the Navy man. Bill
I'm going to say 40. One heap of dope people on them shoes, I know the Navy brand. Who will need class squash dog? The BI6 lighter, you don't know chopping a dog. Rest up to the BI6 boss them two at the same time. Clot. Run it tunes.
If I talk the fattest down in my pants, the man are talking at the streets, I'ma fuck them gal. Don't see to them a clown away official.
Them are not talking on the street. So I'm doing with them gal. With them gal. Them are not talking on the streets, you know. So just go for them here, go knock them gal. Kick out all about them once and say, yo, come out of the house and my time now, I go fuck your gal and make a call you back when you're ready. Yeah, general, you know? Yeah, blood clot, general. Go on.
Oh, gee, push a place and me Glock in my pocket and me ready to go dark up the place.
Yeah,
the president, that you make me remind them. Father, word of my prayer, me kill a brother for binds. I go for them, I shot switch and dead, me even feel away. One shot of Hennessy, I eat. Push a place and me Glock in my pocket and me ready to.
You're ready to hear me? You know.
Dark up the place.
Song done basically. Alright. So it was a visualizer thing, it was not a music video, I understand, so we get it. It connect. Squash it, connect. Squash your deal with it the right way, squash. Yeah, do what? No, I'm gonna sing a blood clot song from the other side. But this video more Tyrekevlogs aka reaction boss people. Peace out, thanks for checking out the video. And the pause boss is back in full effect. Sorry, you understand, but it had to happen. YouTube just wouldn't be the same if the pause boss wasn't back in effect. Peace out.